On today's video, we're going to check out this older Kenmore dryer that's not working. Alright, this dryer's not going on. So, I do have power. We do have 220 to the plug. So the machine is getting power. So first thing we want to check is our switch, our door switch. So the door switch on this one is located. The door switch right here. It seems like it's not functioning right. So let's go ahead and get in there. Before we get in there, make sure you unplug it. So right here, you're gonna lift off the top. So just take a screwdriver, pop it up there, pop it there, and just. Okay, right here is there's a switch right here. So down there, those two Phillips screws, let's go ahead and get those off. Go ahead and pull the switch off. As you can see here, it's not working. So what I can do here is get the numbers right here. And right here, you get your model, the model number, and all your information, and I ordered it from Amazon, same day delivery.
3 hours later.
Okay, here's a switch right here that I bought off Amazon. It's $8.99. As you can see here, hear that? Compared to the old one here, it's not working, so let's go ahead and pull it off. Let's just pull it off like that. And this one is directional. You can see here the arrows here, so just plug it in just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and install it. Put these two screws back on. Alright, see that switch working now? Alright, let's go ahead and put it back together. Just test it out. Go ahead and plug it back in. And there it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And hit that notification bell.